Our first stop while taking the long way to North Georgia last year was at High Falls State Park. It's conveniently located right off the interstate in central Georgia and was the perfect place for us to stop and stretch our legs. We walked around a little and took in some different views of the falls and the river. Next stop was Rock City, a popular tourist attraction in the northwest edge of Georgia. It's located on Lookout Mountain, so the views are great, and there's lots of paths through and around interesting rock formations. Of course, we then crossed over the Tennessee border to take a cave tour to see Ruby Falls. We really were being tourists this trip. I did film a couple hikes from this vacation, and they're both already on my channel. One is from Frozen Head State Park in Tennessee, and the other is at Dockery Lake in Georgia. Other things you'll see in this video are an incline railway, animals from the backyard of where we stayed in North Georgia, and our last stop at the retirement home for horses in North Florida.